YouTube, welcome back to the Academy. It's your boy Rev. Alright guys, I got another video for you guys here today on this nice little Sunday here. And today we're going to be talking about, you probably guessed it, No Nut November, okay? You probably knew this was going to come up, okay? So, before we dive into the rules and what it is on a deeper level, okay, be sure to like and comment on this video right here. Be sure to subscribe to your boy because we are starting a movement and I want you guys to be a part of it. So first things first, before we get into the 5 things, let me give you guys a nice little intro. So here it is. So every November, men across the world take on a silent challenge, okay? Not for clout, not for internet points or all that good stuff, okay? But to test something deeper, okay? Which is control. It's called No Nut November, and behind the memes lies a discipline most men will never master. But thankfully, you got your boy right here. So here are the 5 things, and we're going to start with number 1. So grab your notebook and pen, and let's go ahead and get right into it. So number 1, what is No Nut November, y'all? Okay, at its core, No Nut November is 30 days of total control over your sexual impulses, okay? And that means no release, no corn, no quick dopamine hits, okay? It is a mental and physical detox, a reset for your energy, your focus, and your willpower. The goal isn't repression, it's reclamation, taking your power back from instant gratification, okay? So that's what it is. And here's number 2, alright? And here's why it matters, alright? Most men are drained not by work, but by addiction, to lust, to screens, to the chase, okay? Every time you give in, you trade clarity for chaos, okay? No Nut November flips the equation, okay? It forces you to face the urge instead of feeding it, to channel that energy into, say, your goals, your training in the gym, alright, and your purpose. You stop being a slave to desire and you start mastering it, okay? So that's number 2. Now here's number 3, okay? So here are the rules. So pay attention, y'all. Pay attention. Rule number 1, okay? No release. None. 0. Okay. Now, say we're halfway through it and you get one of those, what's called a, it's technically called a nocturnal emission, otherwise also known as a wet dream, right? That means you didn't fail. That's totally out of your control. You're good, so don't sweat it, okay? Rule number 2, no corn, not a glimpse, it destroys the purpose, okay? Rule number 3, no lust chasing, okay? Don't flirt just to feed your ego, okay? Rule number 4, redirect energy to your workouts, journaling, and building your purpose, right? And then rule number 5, gotta stay accountable. Track your days, right? Stay disciplined. Slip once and you reset the clock, because control only means something if it's absolute, okay? So those are the rules, okay? Now switching gears to number 4, and here's what you will feel, guys, as you're going along in this challenge, okay? The first week, you're going to feel a little frustrated, okay? Second, might be a little restless, okay? But after that comes the clarity, okay? Your workouts hit harder, your voice steadies, your focus sharpens, okay? That energy that you once escaped through weakness begins to build, pressure. And that pressure forges power, okay? So I hope you write that down. And then lastly, number 5, okay? This is how you can use it to your advantage, okay? No Nut November isn't about surviving 30 days. It's about proving to yourself that you control the urge, not the other way around. Use it as a launch pad, per se, okay? Turn the discipline from this month into a lifestyle, okay? When December hits, don't fall back. Don't do this whole, whatever it is that they call it, don't do that. Okay, level up, y'all, level up. Because once a man masters his desire, the world stops controlling him and he becomes unstoppable. All right? And that's it for this video, y'all. Those are the 5 things, okay? Those are the 5 things, and I gave y'all the rules on top of that. So, again, that's it for this video. Be sure to like and comment on this video. Be sure to subscribe to your boy, because like I said earlier, we are starting a movement. And while we're here, be sure to put down in the comments if you're 100% on board with this challenge, because I am the next person over here. He's on board, so we should all be on board, okay? So that's it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.